put the peroxide in, and right out of the bottle, and no messing, no mussing, no fuss. And I put that in there, and then I put the pump back together. And when I do, then I pump it a couple times to see if it's functioning properly. This one is. And then I open my mouth, I let my breath out, and then I go. And I do that 5 or 6 times. And I inhale probably 6, 7 times a day. And for every inhale, I pump the pump 5 or 6 times. And that seemingly keeps my oxygen level high, which is what the theme is keep the oxygen level high, and we will not get the viruses.
Our bodies create hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide, but when it's mixed with the body, there's an enzyme that splits apart the hydrogen from the oxygen so that the oxygen can attack, it can destroy disease. It does that by a singlet oxygen molecule. Now, the body has an enzyme inside of it that breaks apart the hydrogen peroxide so that it can go in combination with the white blood cells to any part of your body that's either been cut or has anaerobic disease. Hydrogen peroxide inside of our body is what drives the white blood cells to do the healing in our bodies, in our wounds, in our cuts. You know, when you get a cut on your skin, you pour that hydrogen peroxide on it, you see it bubble. It's that oxidation process that happens on the inside of your body that takes care of disease both externally and internally. And it's the oxygen, it's the water. It separates the hydrogen and the oxygen inside your body to do the same chemical reaction on disease inside as it does outside. In fact, there are places where people can actually have hydrogen peroxide dripped into their body because they understand the strength and the process of that chemistry in your body. They know. But you know, you're not going to hear about this from physicians because they can't patent hydrogen peroxide. It's available as a food source, so they can't patent it. So that's one thing to understand about hydrogen peroxide in relation to white blood cells.